Hey, welcome on board. Yes, this is Adewale David, also known as Simzi, popular known as Digital Doctor. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use your Autoresponder app. So the app is not available on Play Store. You can get it from me. So this is the app here, Autoresponder. So just open it. So I'm going to brief you on that how to use it. It's very easy to use. It is self-explanatory if you follow it. Okay. So for the first time you are just using this app, this place will actually be blank. This place I'm scrolling will just be white, will just be blank if you are using it for the first time. Okay, so to activate your autoresponder, if this is the first time you're using it, you come here, this place. So if it is off, it will be white. You can see just white. And you have to activate it, it will be showing green. Yeah, so it's already activated now. Alright, so this menu here, you can see this plus menu here down here. This is what we use to input your rules. Okay, so autoresponder works in a way that whenever a person sends a message to your DM, so the message you want them, the autoresponder is going to be triggered with that message, that particular message is going to be triggered and it will send them back a message. So that's just it. Okay, so this is, for example, here you can see thanks received. Thanks. Everybody that sends thanks or thank you to my DM, you're going to always receive you are welcome. So autoresponder will send them you are welcome straight away. So that's just very simple. That's a brief explanation of how autoresponder works. So even you right now, if you send thanks to my DM right now, you are going to also receive you are welcome. So far my autoresponder is active, right? So to input your own task to it for your autoresponder, so you come here to this plus menu here. Okay, so let me just click on that plus menu. Okay, so the first thing you can see, the first one here, this menu here should be answered. So just that's where you're going to input your first rule. That's what you want those people to send to your DM. Okay, for now, for example, let's say that I want them to type the message I want them to, my autoresponder to respond to. Let's say it's Teamsy. When anybody sends Teamsy, so autoresponder will pick it up. Okay, so the next one under it, you can see reply message should be sent. So click on that should be sent. You type in what you are going to receive after typing Teamsy to my DM. So let me just type in you are welcome. Okay, so let's say that I want to continue with the message, like you want to continue with another line, so you can come to this plus menu here. So you can see this plus menu here right here, so you can click on it to take it to another line, so you can type it another one. Your name just type kindly save my contact. Okay, so kindly save my number. So that's the second message you're going to receive. So that's just very simple. If you want to input more message, you can click on that plus. If you want to erase it, like delete what you are typing, you can come here to this minus button to delete it. Now just click on those blank ones. Okay, then just click. Okay, so you can see another one here. Yes, delay in seconds. So this delay in seconds is for each of the message. How many seconds you want them to send to the person DM? Is it after 5 seconds each? Is it 5 seconds each, or 10 seconds, or 60 seconds? Anyone you like, depending on you. So I'm going to be using 5 seconds. That's that after the person sends Teamsy, they're going to receive you are welcome. Then after 5 seconds, they're going to receive kindly save my number. So that's just it. It's just very simple. Okay, another one is here now. After the first one I said for each of the message, you have another delay in seconds. So this one is just is for the overall message. For the first message, this one is for the first message. Okay, so like now the person sent things to my DM. Okay, so the minutes, the delay in seconds that you want your autoresponder to be triggered. So that's what this is used for. So let's see that after 5 seconds also, let me set it to 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, if you send Teamsy to my DM, you're going to receive you are welcome. And after that, kindly see my contacts. Then that's it. It's just very simple. Okay, so the next one is the receiver. Okay, the person that wants to receive the message from the autoresponder, that is it in that you want to and the person to receive it, or is it through your groups, or both? So individual is just like DM, just your single person messaging you, and the groups maybe in a group. So that's just it. Then the rest you can just check their meaning through this menu here. It's very easy to use through this I menu that is enclosed here. So you can just check their meaning. Their meaning is here, so you can just check. It's very easy to use. Okay, another one, and lastly you can see pause rule. Look for, okay, so just let me click on the drop down arrow. Okay, so let's say that you send Teams to my DM just once. Okay, so my autoresponder will respond to that. Then let's say that another time you just send another Teams again. After the first one you send another Teams, so my autoresponder will also respond to that again. So it's just be like a duplicate. So in order to copy that, so you can change the set here. Let's say that message, let me choose message. That means that, okay, let me type in one message. So that means that after you have sent Teams the first time and you send it another time again, it's not going to respond again since it has responded the first time. Alright, so this is just it. It's just very, very simple. Then okay, so let me just quickly talk about this. Let's do this. Okay, so you can see this menu here: exact match, similarity match, pattern match, and all this. Okay, so they are just the template of the autoresponder. Okay, let's say that someone typed Teams. So this exact match is just for the exact message, that the person did not make any mistake using Teams. Just the name Teams is going to respond to it exactly. Okay, so the similarity match, let's say that the person typing Teams, then this last Y in my Teams, this Teams name, let's say that is E that is there. There's no Y there, is E the person put. But since I already put it on similarity match, that means that the person is going to receive the message also by the autoresponder, since it is on similarity match, so it's similar. But if it is on exact match, it's not going to reply to it because it's not similar to it. So you can put it there. So you can also check their meaning through that I enclosed in a circle. So their meaning is there. You can just read through them and apply them. So it's just very, very simple to use. So after inputting your rules, you click on this mark button here. So let me just click on mark button. So you can see it down here. So this is it here. This is it here. So if you want to input another rule, you can click on the plus menu again to input a new rule. So that's just it's just very, very simple like that. Just very, very simple. Okay, and lastly, let me just quickly talk on this. So you can see the last one here to welcome message. You can click on that I button and close to check it. Okay, so this welcome message replies to non-contact. Let's say that someone that you do not save his contact just message you, so they are going to receive the message you input there. So it's just very, very simple. So that's what that is used for. Just check their meanings. It's just very, very easy to use. Okay, so let me just test the rule. Okay, so to test the rule, maybe it is working. So you are going to see this I button here. Okay, let me just draw an arrow here. Okay, so you are going to see this menu here. So that menu is used to test your autoresponder if it is working perfectly. So let's try if it is working perfectly. And let me type in Teams. Okay, so I've already set it. Don't forget, I've already set it on 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the person is going to receive the message. Let's say that I'm the one sending the message to my DM, another person DM. So this is it. Teams. So let's wait for 5 so you can see. So after 5 seconds, you will receive your welcome. And again, another 5 seconds, kindly save my numbers. You see this. So this is how autoresponder works. So that's it's just very, very easy to use. Okay, so sometimes, let me quickly say this. So sometimes your autoresponder might be inactive. Even if you use this menu here to activate it, it's not going to work sometimes. Even after 24 hours or due to some things, it's not going to work. So to activate it back, it should be working back. So you're going to see these 3 dots here, these 3 dot lines here. You just click on it. So you're going to see it doesn't work. So you click on doesn't work, then come to settings, click on settings. So you are going to look for autoresponder app here. So you click on it. Okay, so from there you see this menu here. So just click on it, off it, turn off, then on it back, allow. So that's just it. So to be active back now, it's already active. So you can just go back. Okay, it's already active now. So lastly, let me quickly show it. something here. Let me quickly show you something here. So you can like this TV line, so just click on it. Okay, so let me just click on the TV line. So you can see settings here. Click on settings, show you something. Okay, so you can see choose WhatsApp version. You can see choose WhatsApp version. So this is used for choosing the type of WhatsApp you want your autoresponder to work for. So I'm using my autoresponder for WhatsApp business. It's working for my WhatsApp business. So if you want it to work for your normal WhatsApp, you can use official. You can choose official. If you want it to work for your GB WhatsApp, you can choose GB WhatsApp. If you want it to work for any of your WhatsApp app, you can choose any. So my own currency is working for only WhatsApp business. So that's just it. So this is all about how to use your autoresponder. It's just very easy to use. Okay, so if you have any problem or issue using this app, you can get to meet me in my DM. This is my number here, right? So bye for now. Thanks for watching.